Hello everyone, Philip Mosin here. This video is about APSense, about a new feature that just appeared on April 14, 2012 at APSense. It's about creating events. As you can see here, we are on my homepage, and you can see your upcoming events. This is new. This part here, this is new because we see three events actually. One event is I joined it. The CLB 5-step success blueprint is an event I joined. And the other two, the webinar how to use APSense groups. Well, they are one event actually. It's just that I created it in two different groups because that's where we create a post about an event. And when people join the event, it will appear on their homepage so that they won't forget about it. Okay, so if I go into group, let's see, I will show you how to create such an event. I will show you how I created it. If I go into group, okay, and if I go into groups, let's say I go into the webinars group. I just type hit search group. Okay, then press enter. Wait a few seconds. And there you go. This is the group I'm looking for, the webinars group, this one here. Click on it, and as you can see, the webinar appears. Webinar how to use APSense groups. So in a group now, before you could start a discussion, by default this is the option that is highlighted here, start discussion, okay, at the top. But now you can create an event. So let's see, if I click on create event, so you would enter the title. If you go in the field, the date field, you can choose whatever date you want, like April 18. The time, so you just scroll down to whatever time, let's say 8 o'clock at night. You select the time zone, that's important. In my case, it's always Eastern time in Canada. That's where I live in Canada, Quebec province, and my time is Eastern time. Okay, so that people living in Europe, Asia, whatever other countries or different time zones, they will know, they will be able to know within their time zone when my event will happen. Okay, after I've chosen these informations, I can click on create. And then, well, you see the title I chose, the time zone I haven't selected. I could select it. This is the link, the actual link of the webinar or the event that you want people to join. Then you write a description. So let me give you an example. Instead of writing a description, I will show you what I did for this event, the webinar how to use APSense groups. Okay, if I click on it, since I created it, I have the option of editing it. So if I edit, so as you can see now, this is the link, login meetcheap.com, blah blah blah. The time zone, I chose the Eastern time, like I told you, 11 o'clock a.m. April 20, that's next Friday. Okay, and this is the description I wrote. So to describe what will happen in this webinar, I wrote these things, and then I could click OK, or I could simply, if I don't need to modify it, I can go back to, oh, now that's something I didn't expect. Okay, maybe it's a little bug. Let's go back in the group. Okay, just to show you one last thing. Webinars. Shouldn't take long. Okay, my PC is a little slow tonight, I don't know why. Okay, so if I go, as you can see, the event shows when it will happen in 4 days, 13 hours, 13 minutes. As I do this video, I got 2 likes for it. If I choose it again, so you see these two people here, Windsor Song and Christian, my friend Christian, they joined the event. So since they did that, it will appear. Here you could join the event. Well, I cannot join it, I've already done so, so I could exit the event, but since I created it, I won't do it. So I hope this video was clear for you, and I'll see you next time.